So the next installment of 20 things to do with an old object matrix faceplate or bezel for you American friends. I'm gonna try and turn one of these into some sort of Korean barbecue type thing. Slightly dangerous, and the people who live in my house with me aren't too happy with me doing it inside, but we'll just give it a go and see what happens. So, a bit of modification needed. I'm gonna put something in to try and make this twisty thing so that we can make sure it's all nicely cooked and even. Right, next is the dangerous bit. Going and getting stuff from that over there into the faceplate. Look out. I can tell you now, that's hot. So we're going to put these on, give it a little turn and see how it gets on. Here we go. Yep, fits perfectly. Watch as it all turns and they get cooked nice and evenly. Come back, 5 minutes time, that's going to be perfect. As you can see, all working perfectly. Nothing to see here. Move on. Now the house is full of smoke. I've rightly been kicked out to continue the Korean barbecue fun outdoors. All we need now is to give it a taste. Looks good. Not bad. Well, after that delicious meal, sadly it's time to put the barbecue out. Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas as to what we can do with old object matrix faceplates, stroke bezels, get in touch. Diolch.